Hello, I am Ahuna. I'm 12 years old, and today I shall present you with my facial emotion recognition project. This project is actually a part of an internship that I got selected for with Oxford University professor Ken Khan. So I will go through this PowerPoint presentation and tell you more about my project. So what is the project about? The project basically identifies and labels human facial emotion. And the project which I have made can express 11 emotions. Uh, it can detect it. And the outcome of my programming will understand different facial attributes in humans through trained data sets. And for this project, I have used supervised machine learning. So, what is the project actually trying to solve? The project has a large contribution to the society. It can be used for medical usages. It can identify people's emotions in photos, video, or real time, and it can uh, be fixed inside cars so that the driver doesn't get uh, distracted, and it can make the accident rate much lesser. So what I enjoyed the most about the project is making different faces for facial emotions. So basically I was frowning, and all of a sudden I was surprised with my eyes really big. So it was really funny doing all those emotions. And I also liked experimenting my emotions with the computer, so basically testing if they're actually working or not. And sometimes I faced some issues which I had no answer to, so I had to critically think through those questions and find solutions. So, of course, making my project more creative and interesting was one of the best parts. uh, it was more good to look at, good to, you know, communicate with, and it was good altogether. So, what I found the most challenging thing in the project is finding proper resources for the programming and cleaning my data very frequently so that the computer can respond with accuracy. So, for example, maybe I was smiling and it showed me smile, but also a high rate of fear. So I had to stop that, and I had to change my data set very often. So another big challenge that I faced was making raw data only using my face. And this is my first time that I've made a data set, and that was pretty enjoyable also, but challenging. So, uh, the last but not the least is trying to find alternative ways if something is not working. So that was also a very important part, like a plan B. So what I want to improve upon is making my project more creative and making my data set more accurate. And thank you for watching this slide, but it doesn't end here because I will demonstrate with my programming and how it works actually. So there we go. So here is the coding. So I have used snap.berkeley.edu for doing the programming part. And when the flag button is clicked, the computer speaks up like, "Hi, I'm Ahona. What's your name? Kindly type your name in the box below." And then you type your name, and the computer tells you your name, and then it keeps talking to you just like a normal person. So there is also a writing to speech recognition in this project. And of course, there is the detecting of emotions. So let's try it out. So There we go. I don't know. I'm not sure if you can hear. So if you couldn't hear what the computer actually said, it said that the whole script, that's the same thing it said. So now, for example, I write my name. I'm not writing Ahuna for this case because her name is Ahuna as well. So let me try with a city name. I'm just putting as an example. So for the people who are blind, they can hear my coding, and for the people who are deaf can read what the computer is actually trying to say. So that is one more advantage. And when you need to do the detection of emotions, you click the space button key, so it basically opens your webcam, and then after it analyzes your face, it gives a table, a prediction table, in which all the emotions are given. So 11 emotions are given there, and the confidences are given on the right side of the table. The confidence which is the highest is the one which is the one which emotion is determined by the computer after seeing your face. So let's try. So the computer said that it will try its best my current emotion, but if it fails to do so, uh, excuse the computer, and it gives some direction about how to use the prediction table and how to make the prediction table bigger to have a better view. So there we go. And I was talking all along, but I had a smile, small smile, but I had a smile. So there is happy face, which is 0.6737, blah blah blah. So that is the maximum, the biggest, highest decimal. So I am happy, but I was also talking, so the computer got a bit confused. So it also gave me bored, and so there we go. Now I will show you a bit of my programming, the data set that I have used in this programming. So I have used teachable machine for the machine learning. Open my project so that you can see what is actually uh, going on. So there we go. It's still loading. Yes. So I had made different faces: smile, sad, fear, angry, and then I have trained the model, and then I've used a prediction from here into the coding. So I have a shareable link as well where you can preview the model live. I will show you that as well. Okay, now we go there. Teachable machine. Yes. So you can see that I can preview this model live here, and see I'm happy. So it's the highest. So I will give my link of finding my programming and the shareable link as well under the video, and you can go and see if you're interested. And that's all I wanted to show you, and thank you for watching.